Chocolate cake is one of my favorite things to eat, but I just like food. My bowl has got a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. We're going to add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of either peach or apricot preserves. I just happen to have apricot today. 1/3 cup of white granulated sugar. We have to get our pan ready. It needs to be sprayed with nonstick and then lightly floured. Baker's Joy does both those things. My pan is sprayed and ready. Beat this on low just to mix it up a little bit. I did it on medium speed one time and I had butter all over the place. In my sifter goes 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda substitute. Has no sodium. Sift these, sift it into your batter, and mix it on low. The batter is very stiff, so I will add 1 tablespoon of water that's hot. Mix it on low again. We now have a fluffy batter. I'm preheating my air fryer to 330 degrees. My batter is ready to go in the prepared pan. Spoon it in here, smooth out the top. Use my sling made from 2 pieces of heavy-duty aluminum foil. Put my pan on it, and that way I can put it in the air fryer and I can pull it out of there and not burn my fingers. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. A brand new low sodium recipe will post every Friday. And sometimes I even put a little tip out there to help you lower that sodium. If you do any social media, please include the Sodium Attacker. We don't know whether our friends on our social media have to watch their sodium or not. Many times, because of medical concerns, they have to keep it really low and they go so frustrated they just quit. We want to help those folks. Thank you very much. A bundt pan or a tube pan, either one, work really great with this recipe. Our cake measures 5.5 inches by 2 inches high. We're just going to dust the top with a little bit of powdered sugar while the cake is warm, and we're finished. Got a beautiful little cake. It took 20 minutes in my air fryer for a wooden toothpick to be inserted in the middle and come out clean. Cooled it on a wire rack, and while it's still just a little bit warm, remove it from the pan and put it on a plate. The whole cake has 70 milligrams of sodium. The egg is the only ingredient that has sodium per serving. 6 slices has 11.67 milligrams of sodium. Less than 12 milligrams for a very tasty piece of chocolate cake.